This is like if that Blue Oyster shit met that Afghan Kush I had, and they had a baby, and then meanwhile, that crazy Northern Light stuff I had, and the super red espresso snowflake met and had a baby, and by some miracle, those two babies met and fucked, this would be the shit that they birthed.
Yeah, smoking this reefer till I'm higher than giraffe pussy. Sucker niggas passing they weed, I think I pass pussy. Sitting in that black on black, it says I pass pussy. Can't concentrate that money in the way, I think I pass pussy. Smoking that shit till I'm out in the bitch, no wings, no cake, but I'm flying in the bitch. Feeling myself outside in the bitch, gotta keep it gold black on the side in the bitch. Smoking that Bob Marley, cup full of that Robert Davis. Let her roll my shit, trying to screw a nigga, bitch, you can call me Robert Davis. Serve City, nigga.